Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Do you want to get a table of content like this? This is an amazing design for table of content. You see? If you want to get something similar like this table of content, please continue this tutorial. I will show you step by step how you can create this kind of table of content. Right now I am on my website dashboard. If I want to get that table of content, firstly I need to install a plugin. So I am going to the plugin section. After that I am going to click on add new plugin, and in the right side here I am going to search Kadence Block, and this is the Kadence Block Gutenberg block with AI by Kadence WP page builder features. So click on install now. After installation click on activate. So this plugin already installed. Now I am going to my all post section. After that I am going to open this post, and here I want to include the table of content. So edit this post, and I will include table of content before the first heading. This is the first heading. I want to add table of content here. So I'm giving a enter. Then I have to click on plus add block icon, and after that I have to search with table of content. So this is the table of content block coming from Kadence Block. I am going to select it, and this is the table of content. So here has the three types icon. First one is field bullet point. Second one is outline bullet point. Third one is square shape bullet point. So there has a meaning for all of the three. This one is for H2, and this one for the H3, this one for the H4, and all of the things here coming automatically from this content. You don't need to write anything here. It will work automatically. So you have an option, you can control which things will be display here. Like if you don't want to display H4 or H5 here, you can deselect that option. How you can do it? Just select this block, then it will show as a border like this. After that come to the right side. There has a three settings option. First one is general, second one is style, third one is advanced. So I will show all of the three options how you can customize this table of content. So firstly, if I come to the header section, which headline will display here, you can select it. So for this, firstly, I don't want to keep H1 inside this table of content. So I'm going to disable it, and rest of the things I can keep. But if you want to test, is it working perfectly or not? So as this article has up to H4, so I'm going to disable the H4. You see, all H4 is going to disappear from the table of content. If I enable it, it's coming. If I disable, it's going to disappear. So for the H3 also same, for H2 also same. That's all. So by this way you can control which heading you want to display on your table of content. After that, if I come on collapsible settings, click here. Here is the first option is enable collapsible content. And if I view the post, You see full table of content is open. There is no collapsible option. If I click anywhere, it's not going to be collapsible. So if you want to make it as a collapsible, just enable this option and save, and I'm going to give a refresh again, and you see in the right side there has a collapsible icon. So if you click, this table of content is going collapse, and if you click again it's going to open. But right now when I'm giving refresh, full table of content is open by default. But by default, if you want to start as a collapsed, then you can select it and again save and give a refresh here, and it's opening as a collapsed. When you will click, then it will open, but by default it will be collapsed. And if I come to the next option, it's icon style. You can change this icon style by clicking here. So I am clicking here, and you will get lots of option. Which option you like, you can take. For example, I want to take this option, plus and cross icon. I selected it and save draft. And if I give a refresh, you see icon already changed. So it's on plus and cross. Perfect. After that, there is an option enable title to toggle as well as icon. What does it mean? Right now, if I click the title or anywhere, it's not opening. Only it's open when I click on this icon, and it's going to close when I click on this icon. But if you want to open your this table of content by clicking on title or here anywhere, I mean on this part anywhere you will click, it will open and close. So to enable this option, you can enable these things, then it will enable. So I am giving it on and save and give a refresh here, and if I click here it's opening, if I click here it's opening, if I click here opening, click closing. So we already seen all of the section from the general. Now I am going to the style section. This is the most important. I will show all of the things, and if you do practice and if you spend some times on this section, you can make it more customized. Which settings? Right now I am changing all of the title settings. After that we will go the list settings. First option is enable title. So by default it's enabled. If I disable it, then let's see. If I disable it, then there has no text of table of content. So there's the title. I think it's necessary to keep. So I enable it and save, and again give a refresh. It's displaying now. Now title color. Right now it's black. If I want to change the title color, then click on this section, click here, and if I want to make it as an example red, you see title color is going to change, and this icon also going to change. That means this full title section color will be changed if I change the title color. Okay, after that font size. So if you want to change the title font size, you can change its small, medium, large. Even if you click the right side this customize size icon, you can choose the pixel or rem size as per your wish. You can change, like if you use pixel, then you can increase that size or decrease size 1 pixel. If you want to change the line height, you can make it. If you want to change the letter case, for example, you want to make it capitalize, you can small letter. So as per your wish, you can change it. If you want, you can change the font family. You can choose any font family from here. front weight, and letter spacing, padding, border. After that, the list settings. That means this option, all of this option. So if you want to give a gap between the list, one list to another list, like 10 pixel gap, you see, if you increase it, the gap is increasing. I think no need to give any gap. Right now it's perfect, but if you wish, you can change. List item color, it's automatically getting from the theme color. So if you want to customize this color, here is the normal color and this is the hover color. As example, I want to give the normal color is blue, and when I will hover it, that time color will be like this. So I am hovering it, you see color is going to change. If you want, you can change the font size from here. If you wish, you can change line height, letter case, font family, font weight. All of the things you can change from here. So even if you wish, you can give letter spacing and margin. But I think by default, which option are there, there's the perfect. No need to change anything on this list section. Now come to the container settings. Container means this one is the container, and when I'm clicking on this plus, this full box is container. So if I come to this container settings, okay, I'm going to minimize list settings and the title settings, then it will be easy for you. There has three options. First one is title settings, second one is list settings, and third one is container settings. So right now I am going to container settings, and its first option is for the background. So I want to give a background color. If I give dark color, then you can understand easily, but for the background, light color is good. So I am choosing this color. Perfect. So I'm going to save first and going to give a refresh here. Then I want to check the change. You see, it's showing a nice color. After that, it's border color. For test purpose, I am going to give a color. Like border is 1 pixel, and I am going to give a this color and give a save and going to give a refresh here. You see, this color is showing. So the border is not looking bad. So if you wish, you can keep the border. Another thing is, beside all of the settings, you will get an option for responsive, like computer or laptop, tablet or mobile. All of the settings you will get. So if you face any problem with any device, then you can customize it by clicking here. But by default, all of the things automatically responsive. But still, if you have problem, you can just click and you can see how it looks like on tablet. You can click how it looks like on mobile. So now come to the border radius. If I want to make border radius here, okay, let me make a test. Just I am giving the top left 10 pixel, right 10, below 10, 10. So you see, table is looks like this. By this way, you can customize all of the things and give a save. And I want to give a refresh, and now it looks like this. Okay, last option of this style settings is box shadow. If you want to enable it, you can enable. I love this option, and give a save. You will see the difference. I'm going to give a refresh here, and it's box shadow already working, and it's look very stylish. So if you love it, you can keep it. If you wish, you can change the color. If you wish, you can change the blur settings, spread settings, X and Y axis. Even you can make it inset. As per wish, you can customize. So you can just click and check what's the changing coming with this option. If you love, you can keep. After that, come to the advanced settings. There has few option. If I start with first option, this is the padding, margin, max width. So usually I never customize this padding, margin and max width. And next, if I come, it's non-static content. If I click here, search for heading in non-static post content. So if you have any non-static content, you can enable it. After that, scroll settings. First option is enable smooth scroll to ID. So I am going to enable it and scroll offset 40. That means it will stop before 40 pixel. So save. Okay, giving a refresh. And after that, if I click on types of orange, you see it's stopping before 40 pixel. So that's the things actually. After that, there is an option for enable highlighting a heading when scroll in active area. So if you wish, you can enable it. So this is the all. I have already explained to you how you can make this table of content, how you can change the color, how you can change the background color, border radius, how you can make the list color, how you can change the font size, front color, everything you can customize with this table of content. So today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.